I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones when plugged in. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now the first step you need to do is to go to your Windows settings. Just go to the search down here. Then search for settings. Then open settings. Then you will come to privacy. Then on your left, you will click on microphone. Then ensure that these buttons have been turned on. If you scroll down, ensure that the buttons have been turned on, especially for the apps that you want to use microphone for. So ensure that you have turned on, and if still this one does not work, you will need to go to the next fix. You will close this one. Then again go to the search. Then search for control panel. Then open control panel. Then maximize this. Then you will go to hardware and sound. Then under sound you are going to click on manage audio devices. Then ensure that your headphone is plugged in. So you are going to click on headphone. Then click on properties. Then you are going to go to levels. Then ensure that the level for your headphone is maximum. Then you will go to advanced. Then ensure that these boxes have been checked. Then once you've done that, you will just click on OK. Then click on OK. If this still does not fix your problem, you are just going to close this one. Then again you will come to your taskbar. Then you will come to your Start Windows menu. Then right click on this icon. Then go to Device Manager. Then it will bring you to this Device Manager. So you will come to Sound, Video and Game Controller. So you will click on that. Then you will go to realtek Audio. Then right click on that. Then Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers. Then you will close this one. Then you will go to Action. Then you will scan for hardware changes. Then once you have done that, you will restart now your computer. After you have restarted your computer, your Windows will be able to detect your headphone. That's how you can fix headphone not detecting on your Windows. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.